as opposed to I'm a victim of the circumstances. In the US, they also talk about locus of control being external or internal. So internal locus of control means I have my control instance inside of me, whereas external means somebody else, the society, my boss, my parents, my significant other, they are all defining my life. Okay, so these were the first parts that went into the model. There's another part that was not even called resilience work, but was resilience work, that goes back to a very dark area of our history. And we're talking about Viktor Frankl. So Viktor Frankl was an Austrian psychotherapist, and like many intellectuals at that time, was of Jewish descent, and his family got imprisoned by the Nazis in the concentration camp, and the entire family died. He was in Auschwitz and in Dachau, he got freed by the Americans. And later on, he processed his, being there in several books. And for him, the reason why he survived is because at one point he decided that the only way to survive this is I need to find a purpose in what I'm doing here. And that is not the most obvious thought to have, right? You don't know exactly how you're going to survive the next day. You feel totally out of control, and yet there's this man saying, I need to see a purpose in that, otherwise I won't survive because I will just be a mere animal. And the purpose that he saw was, I need to survive in order to teach my students the psychology of concentration camp. And later when he